Hello friends, welcome to Crafts Wine. So I am going to make a beautiful doll with this plastic bottle. First, for body part I will attach the cardboard like this. We'll make base using cardboard for head. Make a hole on it and insert wire and fix it like that. After that, we'll fix it using hot glue. Fold it and apply hot glue all over. Sorry if you are getting any background noise. Now we'll attach this with the help of hot glue and cover it with the help of newspaper roll. Do as I am doing. Now make a paper ball like that and fix it with neck. We'll take 2 newspaper rolls and insert wire for hand. Now take molded clay and mix it till it gets white. Here I am using Fibrical's molded clay. You can use other companies too. Apply glue on face and then apply the clay like this. Follow these steps as I am doing. Make nose like shape and apply on it. You can use water to make it smooth. Now I will make eyes. As you can see, I am applying a small ball like shape and will give it eyes shape. I am here using pen. If you have tools for clay, you can use it too. As you can see the lip, how I am doing. If you guys really like the video, you can share it with your friends. Now I will make its hair. Now I will leave it to dry. Now it gets dried, I will attach the hand. Follow the steps for full body part. Similarly, I will do with the second hand. Now I will make backside here. I am creating a beautiful bunny. Apply acrylic color all over the body. Cut cloth in this shape and will attach it with the help of hot glue. I am applying hot glue and attaching it. Now for top, I am using silver lace. You can easily find in the local market. Wow, it looks nice. Now I'll make its necklace. Please comment how did you like it, and if you love it, please share with your friends and comment too. Thank you. Happy crafting.